no pumpkin dish. Why not make a pot of pumpkin braised rice?
Pumpkin probably isn't everyone's favorite. Just like the first time I tried it, I didn't like that sweet taste. Feels like food should be savory. But this braised rice changed my mind. Everyone, try it with me. You might fall in love with pumpkin dishes. Peel and diced carrot. Peel and remove seeds from the pumpkin, then cut into chunks and set aside. Scooping pumpkin seeds with a spoon is really convenient. Pumpkin skin is edible. It contains rich dietary fiber and nutrients. However, it's best to choose organic pumpkins and wash them thoroughly before eating. I won't be keeping the pumpkin skin this time. Many online recipes do include the skin, so feel free to prepare it according to your preference. All ingredients are ready. Pour everything into the rice cooker. Season with salt and pepper according to your taste. Personally, I suggest adding a bit more pepper for better flavor. Just add mushroom powder if you like. It's totally optional. The water amount is usually 1:1 with the rice. Since pumpkin releases moisture, you can reduce water by about 10%. It's recommended to use slightly less water than usual for cooking rice. Just press the cook button and easily wait for the meal to be ready. The pumpkin braised rice is ready. Smells amazing. Now you can add dark soy sauce to color the rice. Mix well and it's ready to eat. Drizzle a little sesame oil to enhance the flavor. It makes it even more delicious. This oil-free pumpkin braised rice is simple to make and nutritious. It preserves the natural sweetness and nutritional essence of pumpkin. A healthy and delicious option perfect for everyday wellness meals. This pumpkin braised rice has a soft, sticky and sweet texture. The natural sugars from the pumpkin give the rice a gentle sweetness, while the aroma fully infuses into every grain during the braising process. A hint of pepper cleverly balances the sweetness, creating rich layers of flavor. Each bite combines the authentic freshness of all the ingredients. Pumpkin's sweetness mainly comes from its natural sugar content. During growth, pumpkins convert starch into sugars like sucrose and glucose. The variety and ripeness also affect sweetness, with fully matured pumpkins usually being sweeter. Diabetics can consume pumpkin in moderation. It's advisable to choose varieties with lower sugar content and control portion sizes. Consulting a doctor or nutritionist for personalized dietary advice is recommended. Pumpkin's natural sweetness comes from nutrient-rich carbohydrates. It has a relatively low glycemic index, making it beneficial for health when consumed in moderation. The fiber content helps slow down sugar absorption. Pumpkin is rich in vitamin and antioxidants, benefiting eye health. Its dietary fiber promotes digestive system function. With low calories and high nutrition, it's suitable for weight management. Pumpkin is low in calories and high in dietary fiber, enhancing satiety. Its slow digesting properties help stabilize blood sugar and reduce fat accumulation. Rich in nutrients, it supports metabolic vitality while controlling calorie intake. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. Everyone should learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe. Definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For OVO-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.